Hopefully the short video will start a conversation about how individuals like a railway engineer can work with the open source IT community to automate more processes. A good way for an individual to identify and describe what is to be achieved is to assemble a name set. But the main topic for discussion is how to automate actions that could be done by machine with web devices.
But first, to be clear about name sets. A name set represents an idea. So a big idea like a building is broken down into increasingly smaller ideas until a trail is complete. Each idea's name set is given an identity and an unlimited set of keys to describe it.
Now for ideas about web devices. A web device is a mix of specific know-how and computer code that automates a process. Each device acts on the object or collection the active name represents. A number of human actions may be needed to achieve even the smallest objective, and this is mirrored in the number of devices, as in this extract of railway operation control. For example, the path for the animation gets data from block, section and track name sets. Working from bottom up, straight tracks are sized, cloned, and dragged and dropped into position. The curve and offset configurations are calculated from data from straight tracks to be joined. Tracks are collected into multi-use sections to simplify the name set hierarchy and output it supports. Blocks, a standard railway safety protocol, provides conditional sequencing needed in animation. The train setup device gets its data from the loco, individual wagons and wagon-type prototypes. The block category key determines actions. Finally, operation sets up and runs the blocks in sequence, taking into account speed, track lengths, direction, delay and dependency values collected from the loco and individual wagon and blocks name sets.
Name sets are maintained as plain text. This means web devices can prepare its content for export to popular applications or format the data to emulate popular displays using the latest World Wide Web HTML5 language. Nameset animation display has all the merits of video but can be continuously edited by collaborators to reflect real-time situations. But the underlying advantage is that name sets allow displays to be specifically designed for many different formats to suit the task in hand. For example, almost the same keys used for this sample animation are used to generate a critical path analysis. In a search for a suitable web device, definitions of object and action to be automated are extracted directly. How the variables are extracted from the name set is the key to the interaction between practitioner and coding specialist. One idea to be developed in a response to a device call is for the name set to be submitted for analysis. Results returned suggest possible variables sources based on key names and value types, together with those API calls still to be satisfied. Asynchronous interaction continues until the device is fully assembled. To be discussed.